She put this every night for 1 week and goodbye to the gray hairs. If you are starting to fill with gray or silver hair on your head, do not get depressed. Why the gray hairs appear? You do not have to worry about what you see in the mirror. Do not start saying that you are old, that the years do not come alone, that now you are all ready to be a grandmother, that you are no longer in the flower of life, etc. But why do the gray hairs come out? When there is an accumulation of hydrogen peroxide. It does not matter so much the name of that component that puts us gray hair. What you should know is that it is due to the wear of the hair follicles, that is, where the hair is born. When the peroxide builds up, it blocks the synthesis of melanin, which is responsible for giving color to our beautiful hair. If you are a woman and you have discolored your hair, or some men as well, you will surely know that peroxide is one of the most used ingredients. The body produces it, but in small amounts. When we get older, the body itself increases that amount, since it does not have the necessary dose at 1 above to break the peroxide and transform it into water and oxygen separately. If you have white hair and gray, you can take advantage of the following 2 home remedies. 1. Ginger. Massage the scalp with a little ginger juice if you want to slow the progress of gray hair, according to a study by the University of California. One of the enzymes in this ingredient decreases the amount of hydrogen peroxide, preventing it from accumulating in the hair follicles. Cut as thin as you can ginger and make a paste, or you can rub half ginger by the skin of the head. 2. Nectarine. Nectarine has many medicinal properties, due to the amount of healthy fatty acids it provides. In addition, it has minerals and vitamin E. The latter is moisturizing, restructuring and antioxidant, avoiding the aging of the hair. All these data arise from the research of the University of Alicante, Spain. Open and half a nectarine and place the pulp in a bowl. Apply on the scalp, let it act for 20 minutes and rinse. Then wash as usual.